Today is Monday, September 29th, 2025. Another baseline green day for me. I made about $2.59 for the profit ratio today. I took 41 trades and went green on 24 of them. That's right at 59% accuracy, so not my most accurate day. A little bit of over trading today. I was able to do a pretty good job on keeping my losers, good losers. On my 17 losers, I averaged 8 cents per loser. I did have a couple bigger losers. My biggest one was 31 cents. I had probably 3 or 4 that were above 10 cents, which is more than I'd like to do, but for the most part, I was able to manage it pretty well. On my winners, had 24 winners. Biggest winner was 15 cents. I think I had um, 13 trades that were 15 cents or bigger. My average winner was 17 cents, so pretty good job there as well. I only traded about 15 minutes after the opening bell. I didn't stick around too long. Um, I slept really poorly last night. I almost slept in and didn't even trade today, but I told myself I had to get up. This is my first day trading on a new to me laptop. I got an Acer Nitro 5, um, and what a game changer this thing is. My previous laptop I bought for $100 didn't have any sort of performance package at all, and even just opening up like Google Chrome or an Excel worksheet, it was painful. And this thing, this is like a race car compared to it. So nice. I also emptied out most of the money from my account. I think I kept about $300 in my cash account. Um, I'm gonna be putting that into business account and then into an offshore broker for a little while until I can start trading with an American broker under the PDT rule. Hopefully, um, that's coming fairly quickly. This past week, the big news was that the bill has been approved by FERNA, so now it's waiting on the SEC. So good momentum there. But for trading today, I've had worse, I've had better. Um, nothing too hard, nothing too big to complain about. So it's kind of a baseline day. I gave myself a B minus. A little bit of over trading. I probably could have taken 10 less trades today and been at the same place that I am. But I was excited to try the new computer, anxious to get in and out of trade, see how it was working with that. So um, either way, pretty nice Monday morning, nice way to start the week, and coming into closing down on September. So hopefully I can have a good couple days to end the month. All right. This is where I made my biggest loser on Monday morning. This is the ticker RDHL. This is right after 6 a.m. And this was actually my very first trade as well. We had squeezed up to $3 here. When you started breaking down, we had a nice bounce off of VWAP. This is around 260. We started squeezing back up off the bounce, busted through 270s. I got in here on the top of this candle as we started breaking 280s, thinking we were going to break 280s and retest $3. And all I did was buy the topping tail of this, and it just started shitting the bed right away. I held thinking we would at least maintain VWAP and kind of retest that 270 area so I could hold on and kind of keep it a tight loser, but it didn't respect that VWAP at all and just broke straight through there. So ended up getting a 31-cent loss to start my morning off. Not a great way to start the morning, but it is what it is. And at 31 cents, I'm usually able to get that cleaned up pretty good. So it's not the worst loss of my life or anything like that, but I wish I could have started my morning a little better. This is where I made my biggest green trade of the morning on Monday. Ticker MSS. I traded this ticker probably 10 or 15 trades worth in this range here. We squeezed from the around $2 mark all the way up to 650s or so. I made my best move right here on these two candles, coming up from the 550s as we broke through $6. I made an entry at 585 and held. This candle topped off at 648. I thought we would see 650, but it happened very quickly. And I originally had planned on just kind of holding for like 605 or 610, and it squeezed way up to almost 650 very quickly. So I didn't panic sell. I held thinking maybe we could maintain that level. We didn't quite maintain that level, but I did get out in the mid 630s. I made my exit at 636 for a 51-cent winner right here. Really nice trade. I was able to squeeze quite a bit of profit out of this range here on this ticker. So this was nice momentum here. A nice chart for me to get some good trades in on Monday morning.